All I can say is I'm very excited that I bought the dip on Tesla. Here's why. Ark Invest just released their brand new price targets for Tesla for 2025. And I'm going to blow your mind here in a second, okay? If you invested just $1 in Tesla in the next 4 years, based on their bull case scenario, you'll have $6.10. It's a lot of money. No, I'm just kidding. However, well, I'm not kidding about the numbers. The math works out very well. But I want to read a great article for you from Barron's. It says Cathie Wood's new Tesla price target is out, and it's a doozy. It's a doozy, guys. No, it really, really is. Here's the bull case scenario. $4,000 per share by 2025. Now, I'm not going to go over the whole thing that Ark Invest put out, but this article sums it up really, really well, so I wanted to read this to you. Both me, Kevin, and Jeremy from Financial Education made great videos on this topic. They were really excited to make these videos last night, and I watched them this morning. Guys, this is really, really exciting stuff, and it's a very bullish case for Tesla, but we'll see. So I bought the dip on Tesla. We're going to pull up Tesla here in a second. Let me swing over to WeBull. We'll pull up Tesla. Here we go. So right now, okay, Tesla closed at 654.87. Now, I bought a little bit just under 700. So I'm down on this investment. It looks bad, right? No, it's not. I have every faith in the world that Tesla is going to be a $1.52 trillion market cap company over the next 3 to 5 years. Okay. Now, over the next 4 years, okay, Ark Invest is saying that this company will 6x from here. 6x on the bull case, okay? So let's jump back over to the Barron's article here. It says, Ark Invest founder and Tesla bull Cathie Wood has published a new Tesla target price. It's a doozy. Wood expects Tesla to hit $3,000 a share in 2025. That means Wood expects to earn about 50% a year on average between now and 2025 based on Tesla's Friday closing price of $654.87 a share. That would make Tesla worth roughly $3.6 trillion based on shares outstanding, including management stock options and other potential shares. Apple, in comparison, is worth roughly $2 trillion today. Apple would have to gain roughly 30% a year on average to keep its title as the most valuable U.S. company. $3.6 trillion market cap. What is Tesla worth right now? Just under $630 billion is the total market cap for Tesla right now. And that's a doozy already. They're by far the most valuable automaker on the planet. But there's a lot of stuff priced into this stock right now. It's an energy play, right? It's an EV play. It's a solar play. There's like so many things that Tesla's getting their hands in that is revolutionary, and that's why the market cap is so high already. So you've got to decide. Do you agree with Cathie Wood here? Do you think we're going to get to almost $4 trillion market cap in the next 4 years? I don't know. I'm thinking we could get to 2 trillion, but she's thinking almost double that. I mean, which is absolutely crazy. A target Wood set in 2018 was $800 a share. It was an aggressive target at the time, as Tesla shares were trading around $70, but the shares hit $800 early in 2021, earning investors more than 100% a year on average since the beginning of 2018. It has been an incredible run. A big reason for the newest price target bump seems to be higher potential for a self-driving taxi business. It says in our last valuation model, Ark assumed that Tesla had a 30% chance of delivering fully autonomous driving in the 5 years ended 2024. Ark's research paper says now, Ark estimates the probability is 50% by 2025. Armed with autonomous driving, Tesla-operated robotaxis might translate into $160 billion in additional EBITDA for the company. Tesla generated about $4.8 billion in EBITDA this past year. Tesla management, for its part, targets 50% unit volume growth a year on average for the foreseeable future. Barron's recently took a guess at the Wood's new target price might land. Our estimate was $2,300 a share. It wasn't a projection based on fundamentals. Instead, Wood told Barron's Jack Hugh that she expected the stock to do substantially better than her 15% return hurdle rate for buying a stock. We believed an average annual return of about 30% was substantially better than 15%, but we were low. Tesla's stock has hit a roadblock recently. Higher interest rates have hurt high growth stocks like Tesla more than others. For starters, higher interest rates make it more expensive to finance growth. Second, high growth companies generate most of their cash flow far in the future. Higher rates make the promise of future cash a little less attractive, relatively speaking, than higher yield from bonds in the present day. The yield on the 10-year Treasury note recently rose past 1.7%, up about 0.5% in recent weeks. We all know the havoc that wrecked on the market lately. It's been absolutely crazy. Tesla stock is down about 7% year to date, trailing comparable returns of the S&P 500 and Dow Industrial Average. The stock is off about 27% from its 52-week high in January. At that time, the yield on the 10-year Treasury note was about 1.1%. There's a lot that has gone into this valuation for Tesla and Ark Invest. Just a ton of stuff. And I absolutely love that Cathie Wood is so bullish. But that puts Tesla, again, at growing at 50% per year for the next 4 years in order for them to get to $3.6 trillion. Do you think that that's going to happen? Now, I do believe that we're going to get to $1.5 to $2 trillion over the next few years on Tesla. So I'm a little less bullish than Cathie and her team, but I'm hoping she's right because I bought a good amount of Tesla shares in my WeBull account, and I'm really excited to let them just sit there and let it grow because there's no doubt in my mind it's 100% conviction stock for me. Tesla is anyway. I have no doubt in my mind that Tesla's going to grow like crazy over the next 10, 15, 20 years. Once they get more and more into energy, I'm really excited for this company, guys. Really excited. So I know you haven't seen me in a few days, and I'm sorry. It's been a crazy busy week for me, but I'll make sure and post more videos more often for you guys here on this channel. If you miss me, if you don't, tell me you don't miss me. I'll be okay. After I cry in the corner like a little baby, curled up in the fetal position. I miss you guys. I hope you miss me too. Okay, guys, thank you so much for joining me for another video. I appreciate you again. My name is Richard Allen. If you didn't already do it, hit that beautiful red subscribe button down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.